I don't know why I just did that. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know we have a closing date. What? I'm so excited. I just wanted to update you guys to let you know that everything worked out, and I will let you guys know when we close. You will see that vlog very soon, like we had really short notice. So I'm getting ready to go edit a video, and I'm gonna drop this in the beginning so that you guys can get the good news. So anyway, without further ado, I will see you guys on that day. Bye guys. So I found this for 50 cents, and it has apple, cucumber, celery, romaine lettuce, lemon, kale. Baby, stop talking about people fupa. She's on the bike though.
No, but look at the fupa.
Babe, her fupa can stay. How big is the fupa? I don't know either. But it has babe, stop talking about people.
Look how she look at the helmet. She looks like a little rat.
Oh Lord.
Look at the fupa.
Wheat grass. Can you stop talking about people? Look at your fupa. You look at your fupa. Did you pee on yourself? You realize your mouth is not yours? You need a filter.
Look.
Baby, you need a filter. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you guys who he talking about. Really show y'all. The thing is, ooh, she knows she has her fupa.
You see it.
There they go. Anyways, back to our board life. Yep. Yeah, so this is what I got from Harris Theater. It should have benefits of stuff in here.
It's full of sugar.
What's the sugar content on here?
Sugar
23 gram. Great. Not drinking that. Girl, wait up, man. You walk so fast. You need bottoms these days. You're too old for this. What is that? I don't need that. Wait, Maddie, wait up. You don't listen, do you? Where are you going? Where are you going? We're here. Come, get in. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. We need to clean out the car. You gonna go to the trash can, honey? Pick her up and get her in. Watch her head. Watch her head. Good morning, folks. It's Sunday. Let's say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're gonna make an effort to be nice.
This is how you actually say good morning.
Come on, Jet.
Oh, say good morning, princess.
Bye.
Good morning.
Oh, don't leave him. Don't leave him.
Come on, man.
Don't leave the little man back there. Come on. Alright, put your belt on. Anyway, so we're about to go for a walk because we woke up this morning and
put her in her car seat.
Put her in her seat. We woke up this morning and recognized that. Is it recognized or realized? Either one, we're fat. And we need to be more active. We're too young. We're too young to be not in shape. Like, so starting today, which is Sunday, May 27th, we're gonna make a conscious decision to take better care of ourselves and our body, because this is the temple. This is where God resides in you, right? This is where God resides, in your temple. Like, I don't know what I'm saying, so don't come for me. No one never does. I don't know why I say that, but we're gonna go walk around. Oh, you see how she's walking? I don't know if you guys can see.
She's doing the most. She's like, look at my ass juice.
You see how she's walking? That's how we need to go and walk. We need to go and do the most.
She's showing him that booty juice.
What? Rob, you're so what? You're such a meanie.
What was it from that movie? Booty sweat.
Booty sweat, like that booty sweat. What? No, stop. I'm gonna let my booty sweat. I hope my pastor is not watching this. You be surprised who watches your videos these days, because we went to a birthday party and a lot of people were like, oh, we saw this one video. I'm like, whoa. I thought only a couple of people from China who don't even speak English watches our videos. They're like, look at them. Look at the bald-headed wife, honey. Come look here. I don't think people that actually speak English watches our videos. They're like translation comment. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go. Let's get the ball, mommy. Ooh, who's come on, mama. Come on, come on. Here you go, Maddie. Here you go. Take the ball. Here. We don't need that. Here, just take the ball. We don't need that. Come on. Let's go. Come on, mama. Maddie, it's too hot for you to sit here. Come on. Let's go on the track and field. Alright. Gonna go run, okay? Leave it, Maddie! Maddie! Ew! There's purples everywhere! On your mark, go!
Can't do that!
Come on, you can do it now. Lift them legs. No, no.
I did it!
Alright, Jackson, go! On your mark, set, go! Come on, Jack, you can do it! You can do it! What? Daddy, you go try. Here, I want to do it. Here. I want to do it. I did it, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, Lord. Oh, my gosh, guys. I did it. Oh, whew. It's hot. I gotta go.
Go. Go, mommy. She's awesome.
Go, TD. Let go of the rail. Go get the ball, princess. Come on, man.
Hey, you want to play?
Come on.
Daddy. Why is your why is it so dirty?
You wanna play basketball? Huh? You following the yellow line? We get it, girl.
Alright, Jaxson, go ahead.
Come on.
That was me.
So short.
Come on.
Come on, shorty.
Right.
Oh!
There you go, almost.
I'm too hot.
Oh. No, I don't think the gym is open.
Activities.
Maddie's keeping up with us. You tired, Mad? What? No, you ain't make it. She's so tired.
Make space.
You tired? Are you gonna go to sleep? No? You wanna go in? See, I'm so exhausted. Babe, why are you shoving the child under the... This is so wrong. Watch her little finger in the cart.
Oh, is that a new ball?
Put the balls away.
Babe, get the baby from under the cart.
That's a new one?
Maddie. Why?
This is a new one.
I know it's a new one. Put it back.
I'm getting these granola.
Get your sister and perform the
I don't know why.
Huh?
Now I just need yogurt.
Get your sister.
Maddie, get out. Oh, Lord. Watch her head. You can't sit under there.
Come here. Okay. Oh.
You shoved the baby under there, now you gotta make it up.
Alright. Okay, that's a mommy.
Now I have to.
Oh, look at her nose.
Oh.
Oh, that's it?
We need milk. Coffee creamer. Watch. So, hubby made the baby mad. Gotta get some coffee creamer and water, and then we're done. I have to eat because I'm hungry. What's the matter? Oh, look at your face. Her face dirty.